What's up, everybody? Let me get out my notebook because if I remember correctly, we are doing. Hold on, I was not prepared. Sorry, guys. I should be prepared. We're doing small goals, big gains. All right. It's the week of the 4th. Holy shit, am I unprepared? Hold on. All right. Small goals, big gains. Write this down. Damn it! I should have prepared for this. It is the week of the 5th. That's right. Almost summer. We got was it 14 days of school left? 2 weeks of school. That's crazy. That is crazy. Um, so yeah, like normal. We're gonna go through daily bias, goals for the week, stuff like that. So last week, let's reflect real quick. So last week, we wanted to do a couple things. We wanted to A, execute an accurate daily bias. B, have a full confident trust in our confluences throughout the week. 3, look not to trade. 4, trade completely emotionless. 5, back test. So this is what I got for this week. Again, I want to reinforce my daily bias. So go all week with an accurate daily bias. Next, I need to have better risk management. That trade on Friday was not it, dude, and that kind of made me mad. Um, execute, execute, 100% perfect risk management. Then, if I notice you're having any issues throughout the week, like bias, risk management, anything like that, I'm gonna back test it. Last, back test any bugs in the trading week. Then, do not get distracted while trading. Which might be a little harder this week. Gotta remember, we're not at school to be at school, we're at school to trade. I think trading wise, that's it. Yeah, that's it. Trading wise, yeah. So you got all week accurate and have a nice accurate daily bias, and we have execute 100%. Perfect risk management, back test any bugs in the trading week, and then do not get distracted while trading. I'm not gonna set any like monetization limits or anything like that. I think that's silly. I'm almost gonna say look not to trade. Which last week I think it did a fantastic job because I think I only traded 3 times. So if I don't look first, I don't see a setup. I don't see a setup. You know, like don't see a setup. And yeah, so that is small goal, big gains, goals. Now we're going to look at our daily bias on the week. Okay, so coming over here on the S&P, if you look, we did not gap at all. There was no gap right here. Jeez. No gap here. What does that mean? The volatility is slowing down. Volatility is slowing down. So, is that good? I don't know. I don't know if I like the volatility or I don't like the volatility. All I do know is right now I don't know if I like it, but in the future, a year from now, I'm going to be like, damn, I miss that volatility. TGR said himself, so I do believe that I will miss the volatility anyway. Coming to the 4 hour. Personally, this gap, I believe we already bounced out. I wouldn't be surprised if we go in it further, but to me it looks like we've already came out of that. But again, this very well could be a shitty little range again, and I would hate that. I would hate that, and that's what it looks like right now. Oh shit. Right now, it looks like a range. So, we're going to gap right now. What I would like to see what I would like to see happened. What I would like to see happen. This is not good right there. Yeah, I think it's very likely actually. I think it's very likely. There we go in here. Yeah, I think it's very likely we go in there. Very likely. Yeah. So what I'd like to see happen is we go off of here, bounce off here, then come up, right? Come up and past this line right here. I really want to come past this line, these highs here. I want to disinvalidate those highs. If we can disinvalidate those highs, that'll be good. Now, there's a good chance that we come up here, and then we come down further here, and then up. I don't think that's going to happen. I think we're either going to come down here, go up, down, up. All right? There's going to be some, like, tomorrow or Tuesday, we're going to get some sort of, like, retrace in here, but by Wednesday or Thursday, we should be making it out of it, and hopefully by Friday, we're closing above these highs. That's what I'd like to see happen. Can we do that? I don't know. I don't know if we can do that. But to me, the daily in the weekly stay bullish. Oh, okay. Weekly. Here we go. I see this. I see it. Yeah, I see it. Yeah. In my opinion, I think we're 100% going to come down, hit off this trend line, just a little bit above the trend line, and close above these highs. Tuesday might be bearish. Sorry, I meant Monday. Monday, I bet you were bearish. Monday, I bet you were bearish Monday. Yeah, I bet you were bearish Monday. So I think over a week, we're going to be bullish. I guess it's hard to say. Yeah, bullish. Just look at the daily and the weekly. But I think we're gonna play right into these fair value gaps. And close above these highs. Bam. There we go. Weekly bias done. I bet you're bearish coming in here a little bit. Yeah, to everyone, hope you have a good trading week. Let's crush the market this week. It should be pretty good. It should be really good. It should be a really, really good trading week. Crypto-wise, I think we're probably bearish, dude. I was telling my dad about this earlier, but if we look at this chart of Solana, right? Do you notice anything about this and this? Take a look. This move up. And this move up. Alright, you see it? Look at this. Look at that. You can't tell me there's something going on here. You literally cannot tell me there's something going on here. You can't do it, bro. Nice try. You can't do it. Can't do it, can you? Can't do it. Can't do it. Can't even do it. I think we're coming down. I think we're coming down, and we're targeting this low. And if we target this low, bro, if we come in this price range again, you know I'm sure as hell buying, bro. You know I'm sure as hell buying if we come in this price range. You know that I'll put another $500 in this bitch. You know sure as hell I'll put another $500 in this bitch. Probably gonna go down even farther. Probably gonna go down even farther. Bitcoin. I mean, dude, you cannot tell me this is not true, dude. Look at this. Look at this. See this mini little bam? Holy fuck, bro. That's insane. What do we do? Come up, down, up. Up, down, up. Up. Equilibrium. Holy fuck, we're coming down. We're gonna come down to 86. Holy fuck. We're coming down to 86. Holy shit. Holy shit. Alright. Minus 7.8%. I don't think this might not even work. This might not even be accurate. Okay, that'd be 20%. Holy shit. I don't know, bro. All I know is we're about to retrace the hell out of this. Wish I bought this shit. I'm gonna probably buy some of this if we come down again. gonna buy some when I get there. I couldn't buy through Coinbase. Anyway, yeah. Sorry for getting distracted, but I hope everyone has a great trading week. I will see you tomorrow at 3 p.m. for another trading day. See ya.